back to my channel, Humble Beginnings Homestead. If you guys haven't already noticed, we've been out of commission for a few months. But we're happy to say we're back. I'm in the home improvement industry, so home improvement has just boomed. It's just picked up, and I have worked so much in the last few months that I just haven't had time to pick up a camera, I'll be honest with you. We've been working, dealing with the virus, selling a house, packing, moving, and then buying our next house. We found our dream farm, 30.5 acres. Show you guys my most favorite part of this farm. Look at this, we got company. Those are our cows.
Let's go down to the creek.
Gotta find a spot to get down.
Yeah. Oh, I see the cow. So as you guys hear, there's running water. There's fish in the creek too. The water is very cold though.
It's spring fed. It's always going to be cold.
There's the fish too. If you can guys see the fish, they are most likely runaway fish because they're scared. Every fish is like that. But every vlog I'm going to help you, and I'm going to say more stuff.
Okay.
Look what I found.
What is it?
Daddy, a tortoise.
What is it?
I don't know. It kind of looks like a nut. If you guys know, make sure to do it in the comments.
You know what that is?
What?
I think that's a chestnut.
Chestnut? Never heard of it.
That's a nut.
Are you allowed to eat it?
We'll have to look it up and see. So this, oh, big frog.
Oh my God! Did you guys see that?
This is our favorite part of the farm. It doesn't get much better than this. It's 15 degrees cooler down here than it is the rest of the farm. It's so peaceful, it's so quiet.
And all you can hear is running water.
All you can hear is running water. But we want to clear this eventually down here and make this a family campground. So we can just come down here and hang out and camp during the summer.
Yeah, and we
stay
can,
cool.
Yep, and we can invite our family over, which will be like fun.
Now, eventually we'd like to dam some of this up so we can make a swimming hole. But we'll work on that next summer before it gets too hot.
I can see all the little fish. So guys, this is a little pond where they have bigger fish, like pet fish. You might not see them. They either died when we started working on this place, or they either disappeared and went onto the other creek on the other side. A baby fish! They must have babies!
Where?
Right there! It was right beside us. There it is. Do you see it?
Mm-hmm.
They must have baby fish. And there's more baby fish. Somebody had a baby fish here.
They're here. So this creek is spring fed, and just on the other side of that culvert is the head of the spring. We're gonna see if we can tap into it. If the well's no good, but it comes out ice cold, guys, year round. And it's good. Oh, it's so good. Eventually we want to dig this out, so this is a big huge pond and it fills this whole bottom here.
And all the way to up here, and probably make it big enough to right here. Yeah,
That way we can stock it with fish, and we've got a meat source here on the property.
Yeah. We're gonna have to push all that down.
It came with this amazing barn. This barn comes with its own electric meter. It's fully wired for lights. There's walnut trees, hickory nut trees. There's a cherry tree. There's already food on this property. There's turkeys, there's deer that run through here, there's meat. We dig a pond, there's meat. It's got well water, spring water, a creek. That's life. Water is the lifeblood of a homestead. These are things that we looked for, food sources and water. And we've got it right here on 30.5 acres. Look at our hamburgers growing. Here's our new garden spot. It's gonna be a huge garden. Once these bushes come out and that burn pile gets gone, this will all be garden next year. Right next to the house. And then past this fence, that's where we're gonna put the chickens. So they're right next to the garden. They get all of our scraps. They eat the bugs. I think it'll be the perfect spot for them. Guys, we appreciate you watching. I hope you guys stick with us through this amazing journey. We are so excited about this new farm and what it's going to do for us. This is a game changer. If you guys want to follow our journey, do me a favor, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And if you like this video and what you saw today, go ahead and smash that like button and flick the notification bell so you guys get notified every time we do something here on the farm.
Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.